Hey everybody, it's Anya, and here where I live, it's the season of autumn, and I want to share a simple Qigong practice that's awesome to do in the fall because it has to do with your lungs. And lungs are associated in Chinese medicine with the season of fall or autumn. So it's a great time to strengthen the lungs, and it's also a time that the lungs might be a little extra susceptible to things that are floating in the air, to illness or whatever. So what you're going to do for this practice is just take a hand with all your fingers together like this, and you're going to place it flat on your upper chest at an angle, and then you're just going to rub in this diagonal like this, up and down or vigorously at the angle. And you want all your fingers and your palm contacting your chest. And you're going to do both sides so you can get both lungs. And you can do this for as long as you like. And what it does is it helps to bring more circulation to the area of the lungs, and it also breaks up stagnation. So, of course, increased circulation is going to bring more nutrients to the area and take away waste products more quickly. So that is a great way to increase health in any part of your body. And then the breaking up stagnation is also helpful because maybe your lungs are starting to build up some extra mucus or something from whatever's in the air, and so that rubbing will start to loosen and break up any of that stagnation so your lungs can expel it and then regain more health. So give it a try. This is a very simple exercise, but don't be deceived. It's very powerful if you do it regularly, and it can really strengthen your lungs and help them to become more resistant to illness that's floating around in the air, especially as we're moving farther into fall and into winter when there's so much potential illness floating around. So if you like this tip and you want to see more like it, go ahead and like or subscribe on this page, and I'll see you in another video.